Oil storage and transfer containers are best practice tools that are essential for any lubrication reliability program. If you're still relying on the old oil can with a rag method, it is well past time to stop the insanity. Why would you even consider leaving lubricants that you depend on to lubricate your expensive machinery open to dirt and moisture? The traditional oil can method allows water, dirt, and other particulates to contaminate your lubricants. Just as night follows day, you will be sure that whatever gets into your oil will end up in your equipment. The smallest particulates, especially the ones we can't see, can cause machinery components to fail prematurely. In addition to expensive repairs and replacements, this could lead to production downtime and an even bigger hit to your bottom line. Another problem with traditional oil transfer and storage methods is incorrect lubricant usage and lubricant cross-contamination. Have you ever had an operator pick up an unmarked container and use the wrong lubricant on a piece of equipment? Just like particulate contamination, this too can lead to disastrous results. The solution is reusable, sealable containers specific to each lubricant. They make lubricant storage and handling easy, efficient, and clean. Best practice recommendations also include integrating a color-coded system that includes properly labeled containers to ensure that the right oil ends up in the right piece of equipment, greatly reducing any possibility of human error. The use of Xpel Oil Storage Containers from Lubrication Engineers can provide an instant positive impact on your lubrication reliability efforts. They can help you transform your lube room and make your maintenance operator's job much easier. These sealable containers, available in various sizes and with a variety of lid and pump options, prevent contaminants from getting into the oil. They make it easy to dispense oil without the need for secondary tools such as funnels. Several color coding and labeling options enable contents to be easily identifiable for maintenance operators. This is very helpful, especially if you have multiple lubricants used in your facility. Lubrication Engineers offers full service support for your oil storage and transfer needs. Learn more at www.lelubricants.com.